Good afternoon. Standard 8 subject English. Last period we learned that the part of the poem 2.1 try again. Last part of the poem. Now there is a there is an extract on this part. So I tell you the questions of this extract. So read the following extract and do the activities. A1 simple factual activity. Complete the lines with proper words from the extract. First, you will get your dash at the right time. Second sentence, the important quality required when we are struggling for success is dash. So, extract number 3, page number 28. If you find your task is hard, dash, only keep this rule in view, try again up to it. So, next question, A2, complex factual activities. Complex factual activities. So, pick out lines that convey the following from the extract. First line, first sentence. When others can do the work, so can you if you keep trying patiently. Second sentence, if you try and work all the way, you will succeed. Second point question, what rules must be always kept in mind? So, these are two questions in this A2. Next question, A3, activity based on poetic device vocabulary. Write the rhyming scheme of the stanza. Write the rhyming scheme of the stanza. Here you have book in front of you, and now how to give the rhyming scheme. So every word, last word of the line, take for example, first take down A, then if there is rhyming scheme, rhyming word, write A, but the word is different, write B. Then there is a rhyming word with first word at that time, write A. Like this, give the small, use the small letters for the rhyming scheme A, B, C, D, like this. So, give the rhyming scheme of the stanza, and then rhyming pairs from the stanza. There is difference between the two questions. There is difference between the two questions. In rhyming space, we write only two words. We write only two words here and not another. So this is the second point. Write rhyming pairs from the stanza. And next point, find the figure of speech interrogation from the stanza. We learn about it, figure of speech. Then next point, find the antonyms from the extract. Find the antonyms from the extract. First, punishment. Second, impatience. Like this. Add your own words also here. Solve this extract in your notebook as well as in your workbook also, and read it again and again read it by Herclay. Try to write questions and answers again on drop work and do study very hard. So we stop here.